Hello, my name is Michael Wiacek, and I will be giving you a presentation on ITM of Block 4. The components of Block 4 will be discussing are data modeling and database. The first part is data modeling. Data modeling is the process of creating a data model by applying formal data model descriptions using data model techniques. Data model is a technique for defining business requirements for a database. It is sometimes called database modeling because a data model is eventually implemented in a database. A data model organizes data elements and standardizes how the data elements relate to one another. Since data elements document real-life people, places, and things, and the events between them, the data model represents reality. A database model is a specification describing how a database is structured and used. There are a variety of data models that include the hierarchical model, network model, and the relational model. In a hierarchical model, data is organized into a tree-like structure, implying a single upward link in each record to describe the nesting and a sort field to keep the records in a particular order in each of the same level list. A network model organizes data using two fundamental constructs called records and sets. Records contain fields and sets define one-to-many relationships between records, one owner, many members. And lastly, a relational model is a database model based on first order predicate logic. Its core idea is to describe a database as a collection of predicates over a finite set of predicate variables, describing constraints on the possible values and combinations of values. Next, I will be talking to you about databases. A database is a collection of information organized in such a way that a computer programmer can quickly select specific pieces of data. Traditional databases are organized by fields, records, and files. A field is a single piece of information. A record is one complete set of fields, and a file is a collection of records. An alternative concept to database design is known as a hypertext. In a hypertext database, any object, whether it be a piece of text, a picture, or a film, can be linked to any other object. Hypertext databases are particularly useful for organizing large amounts of specific information, but they are not designed for numerical analysis. Increasingly, the term database is used for shorthand for database management system. There are many different types of DBMSs, ranging from a small system that run on personal computers to huge systems that run on mainframes. Database management systems are specifically designed software applications that interact with the user applications and the database itself to capture and analyze data. A general purpose of the DBMS is a software system designed to allow the definition, creation, update, and administration of databases. The interactions created for most DBMSs fall into four main groups. Data defining new data structures for a database, removing data structures from the database and modifying the structures from existing data. Update, which is inserting, modifying, and deleting data. Retrieval, which is obtaining information either for end user specifications and reports or for processing by applications. And lastly, administration, which is registering and monitoring users, enforcing data security, monitoring performance, maintaining data integrity, dealing with currency control, and recovering information in the system if the system fails. So as you can see, data modeling and database play a big part in the world of IT today. And that is my presentation. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching.